A look at suggested alternative food for vampires, starting with the least plausible, tomato juice. Yes, in some more family-friendly fare, vampires are actually depicted drinking tomato juice. This seems to be a mere visual association without much merit. Red wine. It's not uncommon to see vampires depicted drinking red wine, though this is usually because they enjoy wine for its own sake, or that the wine is actually blood. Corpses. While dead man's blood is sometimes said to be poisonous for vampires, it's not necessarily the case. However, it's somewhat moot because the only reliable way to get fresh corpses is to kill people. Fake blood.
You have any of that synthetic bottled blood?
Various forms of fake blood have been proposed for vampires, but even if something like this was possible, humans have never warmed to synthetic food, so there's no reason why vampires would either. Other vampires. In films where the protagonist is also a vampire, it's not uncommon to see them feeding off other vampires. While this may work good for a story, no species can survive by cannibalism alone. That is hot, though. Animals. First pointing out that animal blood is not the same as humans. If it was possible, it'd probably be about as appealing to vampires as eating cockroaches is to us. And we already have a word for people who eat animals. It's called people. Blood donations. This is the most plausible. It is a way to get fresh human blood from living people. The only thing about this is to get large quantities secretly would require a massive conspiracy that would be hard to cover up. At the end of the day, depicting vampires as doing anything but preying off humans is kind of a cop-out. The fact that vampires feed off human blood is their defining feature. That's what makes them vampires. Everything else is just disputable details. So, I'll leave you to decide. Are they real?